Get him. Ah! Ow! All right, Lesson Karen here. We are going to test out a pet hack that we found. With the number of animals that we have, anywhere that we can save time or effort is a great thing. Now, we have 7 cats, so cutting their little toesy-woesy nails, a lot of work.
It's a chore.
It is a real chore, and at probably about 5 minutes a cat on a good day, that's half an hour, 45 minutes of our time, just to keep their little nails trimmed back. Now, we know even if we go to the vet, it's a 2 to 3 person job.
For some of them.
For some, yes, for some of them, yeah. For some of them, you know, a little bit of anesthesia is involved as well.
Now, we have had, most of our cats that we have right now, we've had since kittens. So when they're babies, we clip their nails so they get used to it.
Yeah.
But it's really kind of all their personality, whether or not they like their nails clipped or not. Well, if they tolerate it.
If they tolerate it, yeah. So when we heard there is a way to cut cats' nails by yourself, that's just one person doing it, we said we got to try this because that means we can double team it and do twice as many in half the time. So we're going to try it.
We're going to try it and hopefully not have too much bloodshed.
Yeah. All right, so the first thing that we wanted to do was just show you how we normally do cat nails. This is how we've been doing it for 15 years now. It works really well. It seems to keep the cats as calm as they're going to be, and involves the least amount of blood loss possible. Now, I also grabbed, she's not the worst, but not the best about it either, Sassy. The reason why she's not the best is she always wants to be up on my left shoulder. So now, as you can see, I hug kitties. Karen trims nails.
Now, Sassy we have not had since she was a kitten. She was one of our rescue cats. But still, she does fairly well. It's just her personality. She's pretty laid back, and she just wants to not be in this position.
Yeah, she just doesn't want to be held like this.
So she'll let us clip her nails, and we can get through her fairly quickly.
I don't know if you can hear it or not, but she's actually still purring.
Sometimes we get their back claws, sometimes it's just their front claws.
It depends on how bad they are.
Front claws
always
grow faster. And we do have scratching posts in our house, and
not just our furniture, like legitimate scratching
and our cats
posts.
really don't use them, but we've been really lucky that I don't think we've had too many pieces of furniture destroyed. I mean, with the amount of cats that we have, it's to be expected.
Yeah.
But all things considered, the amount of pets we've had fairly good luck with furniture.
And
so as you can see, Sassy was fairly easy.
She's done, and
about a minute, or not even.
You saw how hard it was for us to detach her from my shoulder at the beginning. Now she just slides right off. Okay, so apparently this whole single person technique is you sit, put your feet up on a table, cross your ankles, and then now this is where it starts sounding a bit crazy. You put the cat on its back here. This is the part where I call shenanigans, because what cat likes being on its back? So we're going to start small with Friday. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram at This Friday's Adventures. So we take him and we put him here. Yeah. I don't know how I stay.
Now, he has gotten his nails clipped by us before.
This is not the first time.
And Les usually doesn't do the clipping.
I usually don't do the clipping. Okay, so that did not go so well. Maybe he's too small. Our next test subject will be Mario. Mario is usually the best about getting his nails clipped because, one, he's a people pleaser. Two, he just loves attention. So we can hold him however we want and he will just purr He's also probably the biggest cat that we have. Oh God, so much heavier. Let me just gonna get him on his back here. He's normally the nicest cat, dude. Come on, all right, just,
He doesn't even fit in your legs.
right. This is
Mario, how are you feeling about
Mario,
this, baby?
tell the folks at home. What do you think? Uh-huh. Can I get one more? Can I finish a paw? One more paw. I just got one more here. Uh-huh.
That wasn't too bad.
That wasn't horrible. I think I could have possibly finished, but he would have never ever spoken to me again. Round, what is this? Three now. We have Mario's twin brother, Luigi.
This is a different cat, I
It
promise.
really is, we promise, it is a different cat. He's normally okay, but here's the thing. He has already heard his brother being accosted, so he's a little riled. I can't even get him. Ah! Ow!
And they're probably
Can't
like...
even get him into the correct position, and we have had him since he was a kitten.
Yeah.
He's 4 now? 5?
Probably. And how much do you think he weighs?
He's 15 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, of pure angry orangeness.
Usually he's a very sweet cat.
He is. Normally, I mean, they're the stereotypical sweet orange cats. Not today. All right, so last victim, test subject, would be Queen Boo Boo herself.
She does not love to be held as it is, so clipping her nails is okay when we do it our way.
Mm-hmm.
This she'll tolerate, I guess. I don't know, because she put herself in this position.
Yeah, she went that way and she's trying to escape. Her name is Boo, but we normally call her Boo Boo because of the blood. So, let's see if we can even get the position.
Good girl, Boo.
Okay, good. Better than we had with Weege.
Okay. She is to you.
Well, so, yeah, we got Mario we could have finished.
Okay, I
So-
vote we go back to doing it our way.
Yeah, I
Let's
think we're
see
gonna
if our
stick
way works. We're
with
going to show you
our
how
technique.
our way works. All right, pause. You get how I said pause.
No.
This cat has pause. Yeah, okay.
All right, just as another proof of concept of our way, Luigi.
Now they know that they're getting their nails clipped, so they're not
Yeah.
happy. But
Normally we sneak up on him. We usually do him first, then Mario. But look, I have, see, support under the front arms. I also hold the leg that is not being worked, so Karen does not get scratched. You can't see it, but I am supporting the butt, which is always important.
I mean, he's not happy because cats in general don't. I mean, they're not gonna like to be held like this, but
Nor do they like being restrained or having their nails
at
clipped.
all. One more. I know, Daddy didn't get that
Oh,
paw.
so I didn't actually do that one.
And you always want to make sure that you don't clip the quick, because that hurts and they'll start bleeding.
Yeah, that was the other issue that I had. I could not really see the quick when I was working on their nails from the angle that I was at. But see,
He's all done.
he's all done. I'm now not holding him. He's not trying to run away or escape. He can leave whenever he wants. So our tip or trick for clipping cat nails, 2 people. 1, sacrificial offering to get cut. That's me. And then the other one to actually do the pedicure.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
And follow us all across social media. Links are in the description.